everybody, how you guys doing? We've got the half off sale and it's going nuts. You've got to get in here. Now, I don't know if everybody understands what's going on. It's not buy one, get one free. It's buy one and then you take half off, of whatever else you need. Now, over the past couple days, we had a couple people come in and just freak out after they understood it. So one guy came in and he bought this Alpine deck. You see, I already have the Alpine deck, the top Alpine selling deck, lower than anybody else. You see it for $259, and it includes the rear view camera. Then after you buy this deck, then he went over to the Kicker speakers and got this one half off and this one half off. Do you see that? He spent $259 on the stereo. Then that allowed him to buy $259 worth of other stuff at half off. Then another guy came in and bought the bad boy Sony wireless CarPlay. This one right here for $599. Then he goes, so I spent $599 on the deck. You're telling me that I can get this base package, the one for $599, this Kicker base package for half off? Yes, you get this one for $300. Do you see? No other store can do this. No other store can touch us. You need to get down here for this half off sale. Go to the website. It explains it all. This is nuts. I sure appreciate you guys.